Okay. Why the Congress? Was it a natural choice, or because of the politics that's playing out, you decided Congress? What was the reason?
Well, the Congress is, as you know, is one of the oldest political parties of India, and it has played very important role in India achieving its independence. And since then, it has been also doing well in various fronts. It has been the base for all development in the country over the last 55 years, 65 years.
Okay, so the development that has been seen in the country and the changes that you're seeing now, that's the reason why. In fact, tell us a little bit about the story of how you decided to be in politics, because initially you were only vocal about the changes that are needed in the country, but you were persuaded by political parties to join the fray. What did you think about it? What were the discussions that went on?
Really persuade me. I mean, when the issue came up, they offered me, they offered the parties, support of their parties, and all the Mahavikas Aghadi parties, in fact, wanted me as a candidate.
Okay, so all the parties had decided, but you decided Congress because of the work that they have done.
They have done in the past and what they can do in the future.
Okay, so a lot that the Congress party can also speak about. But when you enter politics, there is a lot that also comes along with it, the hectic campaigning that comes along. There are also controversies that break out for the people as well. They're not sure what will come in when you are an MP from here. So what would you like to say to the people? What is it, the changes that you're going to bring into politics, sir?
No, as I told you just now, the main criteria will be all-round development and reducing the time limits and doing it in a better way. For example, in 1895, around 1895, when the first railway was introduced in Kolhapur, the plan was from Miraj to Kolhapur. The plan was to do it in 3 years, and they had a certain budget for it. So they were at the end of 3 years, they completed the railway line, started the railway line, and they also did it within the budget.
Okay. Kane sir, your dinner.
On a tile? It's antibacterial.
Easy to clean.
But plates? Kane bhai, it's a tile ad.
IM Plus टेक्नोलॉजी से बने वर्ल्ड क्लास टाइल्स, टाइल हो तो सिंपल हो।